This vlog was filmed in August 2020. Here in the car my dad, driver, brother, and my mom were going to see the farms. So basically we consume millets in our diet, technically my family. LOL, there were many YouTubers and TV channels so also here this granny named Chandi Bai is explaining about millet maintenance. Crops, and crops. Here different kinds of millets are explained. These are millet crops and the millet grains are on the bud. I have no clue what do you say this, but it's something like when the farmer's parents expire they make a dedicated place for them like a memory. Crops. How cool the road is, like a hollow road to cool. So here they are making manure out of dried leaves. Even I did this process and it's amazing. They do this by singing. Hey, bodybuilders out there must try this, it very good to improve muscle strength.